My dear friends, so in this Mass, my dear people of God, my dear children of God, we are reminded of all the meetings that we have to continue to pray humbly and to accept that all of us are beggars, that we cannot rely on our subcapacity or capability, that we need God to complete or fulfill us. He alone can make us truly happy. He alone can provide our enjoyment, satisfaction, and purpose. And my assignment to you is this: why do I exist? Bakit ako nabubuhay hanggang ngayon? Number 2, to whom could I extend my happiness with? And why is it difficult to answer the question like, why do I exist? And to whom do I extend my happiness? It's because of fear. Kasi we have culture, we are oriented already what is workable for us. People today are really oriented for what is something patterns, algorithms, and it's difficult to go outside the self. But where do we get the strength? Let's go back to our humble prayer. Let's go back that everything comes from God, therefore I'm a beggar. And when I'm a beggar, I'm contented what God can offer to me, and that is happiness.